Welcome to Geo. Please hold while we transfer your call to our advisor. This call will be recorded and monitored for quality assurance and training purpose. We would love to have your feedback at the end of this call.
It's not available. My phone is available.
Good evening. Welcome to Geo. My name is Kamal. How can I help you?
Welcome.
Can you hear my voice?
Hidden. I have a seat.
Somebody is there online. Please respond to the call.
Yeah. Strategy.
Are you online, sir? Can you hear my voice?
Yeah. I want Geo SIM in output.
Sorry to inform you, I'm not able to understand what you are telling. Are you comfortable in English?
Small.
Hello?
One SIM.
One SIM.
One SIM. On Geo SIM in output.
Sorry?
One SIM. তখন আমি একটা সিম বাই করতে চাই ওয়ান সিম ইজ আউটপুট out
Are you comfortable in English?
one sim is out in my pocket.
In which language you are comfortable, sir?
Hindi available.
You want to speak only in Hindi? So if you want to speak only in Hindi, you can call back on the same number and select the Hindi language option.
Yeah.
Then definitely one of our Hindi advisors will help you in resolving your problem. So if you are comfortable...
Hitting my mata nosto huing.
If you are comfortable in English, I can help you.
I am something.
Hello?
Hindi জানার নাম চাকরি দিতে কেরা ইন্ডিয়ার মানুষ হিন্দি জানার দরকার আছে
Speak only in Hindi, you can just disconnect this call and call back on the same
কি করতেছেন আমি বুঝি না মাথায় ধরে না শুনেন আপনি ইন্ডিয়ান মানুষ না ইউ আর ইন্ডিয়ান না ইউ তো জানার দরকার যে ইন্ডিয়ান মানুষ হিন্দির দরকার রাষ্ট্রীয় ভাষা
Are you comfortable in English?
You comfortable in Hindi?
As I mentioned earlier, I'm not comfortable in Hindi.
Not comfortable, you are Indian?
So if you want to speak only in Hindi, you can disconnect this call and call back on the same number.
Yes, sir. I talk to English. I small talk to English. One SIM on Geo SIM is Dugan. Store is output in my mobile.
I am sorry to inform you, sir. I'm not able to understand.
Oh, really? You are talking...
Comfortable in English, I can help you.
Hitting, you are English, not something. I am something into my bhataya kota queen. You are not something.
Alright, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to speak only in Hindi, you can call back on the same number and select the Hindi language option, preferred language as Hindi.
Hitting, you are Assamese Janing?
Definitely one of our Hindi advisor will help you.
What? Why don't you? Young.
Are you online, sir? Can you hear my voice?
Your voice. Come.
Hello? Yes, sir.
हिंदी आदमी को दो हिंदी मैन को गिव योर मोबाइल
Sir, as I mentioned earlier, I'm not comfortable in Hindi. If you want to speak only in Hindi, you can disconnect this call and call back on the same number and select Hindi.
One talk me. Yes, sir.
Select the Hindi option.
Mobile give on the Hindi man. My kotha samjhing?
Sir, I'm not able to understand the language which you're speaking. So if you're comfortable in English, I can help you.
Your mobile, please send, madam. On Hindi. Hindi, madam. Send me, please, your phone.
Hello.
Hello? Your mobile.
Are you comfortable in English?
Your mobile on give and ma'am and Hindi.
I'm sorry to inform you, sir. I'm not comfortable in Hindi.
Comfortable to English.
I'm comfortable. Yes, sir. I'm comfortable in English.
I am comfortable in Hindi. I am comfortable to Hindi.
So as I mentioned earlier, if you want to speak only in Hindi, you can call back on the same number.
No. I talk. No.
Language option.
No. I talk in Hindi, ma'am, on the mobile give, please.
So as of now, I'm not comfortable in Hindi. So if
one talk bare bolchen ami Hindi talk.
And just call back on the same number and select the Hindi language option.
I am. Please send your mobile.
Definitely one of our Hindi advisor will help you in resolving your problem.
My problem is this. You are not Hindi something. You are not Hindi something. I am English nahi. I think.
Are you clear with the information, sir?
My head is working fuse. You are talking to Hindi. I am something to the Kotha.
I am sorry to inform you, sir. I cannot understand Hindi. I'm not comfortable in Hindi.
You are a cab comfortable. English, Assamese, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. Not comfortable. Only English. What? You are Indian.
So if you can speak in English, I can help you.
You are a Hindi bowling na, please. Hindi man is give the mobile your. Please.
I'm sorry to inform you, sir. I cannot understand or speak in Hindi. So if you want to speak only in Hindi, you can just disconnect the call.
What sorry? Huh?
And call back on the same number and select the Hindi language option.
Hindi language, English language. You are not comfortable. My mata is not come going. Please. Hello.
Are you able to hear my voice?
Yeah. Hello. Please give on Hindi ma'am your mobile, please.
As I mentioned earlier, I'm not able to understand the language which you are speaking. So if you are comfortable in English, I can help you.
I am not comfortable to Hindi English. I am not something to the English. I am not paring to the English. I am kisui paring na ami English.
So if you want to speak only in Hindi, you can disconnect this call and call back on the same number and select the Hindi language option. Definitely one of our Hindi advisors will help you.
Asa sir apni kisui bujhen na. হ্যাঁ স্যার আমি আপনার ভালো পাই তো স্যার I love you.
Are you online, sir? Can you hear my voice?
Yeah, your voice, yeah.
So can I transfer this call to the feedback IVR?
Yeah.
Okay, please do provide feedback about this call. This would help us improve our services better. Thanks for calling Gio. Have a nice day.
Yeah.